Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Here's my review of FundingSecure, focusing on its usage and my experience. FundingSecure was a peer-to-peer lending platform based in the UK. Their specialty was asset-backed loans, providing primarily short-term financing secured by high-value assets. These assets could range from real estate and jewelry to classic cars and fine art. Unlike traditional personal loan providers, FundingSecure offered borrowers a rapid way to access capital by using their possessions as collateral. This presented a viable option for individuals requiring urgent funds who might not have met the criteria for conventional loans, or perhaps wish to circumvent the often protracted bank approval processes. The platform attracted both borrowers seeking fast financing and investors looking for potential returns. Sadly, FundingSecure entered administration in 2019. This was due to financial mismanagement and a rising number of loan defaults, which unfortunately exposed numerous investors to the risk of financial losses. Consequently, the platform is no longer accepting applications for new loans. If you're in the market for an asset-backed loan, alternative providers are now prevalent in this sector, offering similar services but with increased regulatory oversight. Should you have been considering FundingSecure as a financing option, it's imperative to explore other secured loan possibilities from established and trustworthy lenders. For your convenience, I've included links in the description to alternative lending platforms that offer fast asset-backed loans with enhanced security and greater reliability.